welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Renee Rowena. Welcome. Today I will be doing a try-on haul from Shein Official. I have not opened or looked at any of these items. They are still in the original packaging, as you can see here, because I wanted to do this with you guys on camera. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Please stay tuned. My apology for jumping in like this, guys. I woke up to some tragic news this morning. A friend of mine for many years, like we basically grew up together. He was classmates with my brother. He and his wife, their home caught fire. So they're going through a very difficult time right now, and so they have created a GoFundMe page, and I'm asking you guys truly from the bottom of my heart if there's any way possible that you can support them or make a donation, whatever it is, no matter how small it is, it will be greatly appreciated. I will be leaving their GoFundMe link in my comment section below and also in my description box. So please guys, if you can help, we will appreciate it so very much. Thanks in advance. So the first one we got is this mesh panel belted dress. It is in navy blue and I got it in a size large. This is what it looks like. It just looks normal at the top, and then it has the mesh at the bottom right here. This is not normally my style or go-to dress, but I saw it. It looked cute on the website, so I said, you know what, let me try it. I got it so I can wear it to church actually, but I do like the mesh at the bottom. And of course, this is the belt for the navy blue dress, which I probably won't wear. I'm never a fan of wearing belts. It feels really good. I'm not gonna show the back because I normally have no difficulties in zipping up my clothes myself, but for some reason, I can't, like the size is okay and everything, but I just can't do the zipper. It feels okay. The only thing I'm not liking is, let me see if I can show you guys. The only part I'm not liking is this right here by my tummy. Overall, it's not bad, to be honest. So next we have this mesh insert neck dress. This is in a size large as well. I did get this in a black, and again, something I intended to wear to church. So this is what the top looks like, and then at the bottom it kind of have like a mesh thing going on to the end. I really like this. Is the main reason I bought this dress, because I like the bottom, the mesh at the bottom. So I guess we will see. I'm not too sure about this one, but hey, I don't know. Do you guys think I can wear this, or should I just give it away or donate it or something? How does it look? Like, be honest. I just feel like a little girl wearing this. So next we've got this cut out mesh insert crop top hoodie. I know that's a lot to take in. What size is this? I do like the mesh though, it's cute. So I got this one in a large. I'm trying to figure it out here. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, I think I got it. So this is what it looks like. So like I said, it's a crop top mesh cut out hoodie. Yes, everything I said. So this is the sleeve for it. This is the hoodie part. The other sleeve obviously, and this is the back. So the back, we have a mesh design thing going on in the back. I thought it was really cute. Not something I usually would wear, but I thought I'd just give it a try. Guys, I can't find anything to pair with this hoodie, but for now this mesh stuff is just gonna have to work. But anyways, this is what it looks like both sleeves. So next we have this tape trim cami dress. I got it in a large as well. I mostly wear large or extra large these days. So this is what it looks like. I do love the prints on here. This is the reason why I got this dress, to be honest. I am a sucker for prints like this. Anything like this or like African prints, I just love. So this is what the dress looks like. Just a simple black dress. next we also have this geo print cami dress, and it's also in a large. And again, told you guys about the prints. I love prints like this. Oh my god. Anyways guys, this is in a large. This is what it looks like. So next we have this puff sleeve patchwork print dress. That's what it's called. This is in a size large as well. Again, another print dress. This is what it looks like. And again, this one is in a large as well. To be honest with you guys, this one was a little bit tight when I was putting it on. I do like the prints on this though, so I might just wear it around in the house or something. I think I like it down here better because it does make it look like the puffy dress that it is. So next we've got this pleated front laser cut dress. And this one is in a mustard yellow. I am in love with this color. Oh my god. This is in a size large. This is why I got this dress. I do like the design here. And it's also at the bottom of the dress. So next we have this lace up tied skinny shorts. This is what it looks like. This is one side and this is the other side. And I got this in a extra large. Next guys, I have this butterfly print t-shirt. This is, oh my bad, I was just checking to see if it's plastisol or water-based ink, but it seems like it is heat transferred. But anyways, it's really cute. This is what it looks like. Love this shirt. So next we have this high waist hip cut out jeans, and just like it says, it is cut out from the side. So this is the waist of the jeans, and then at the side of it, it has like a cutout pattern right here, and it has the same thing on this side as well. This is the back, and it has like the rip design from the ties going down. I just thought this was cute and sexy honestly on the website, so I thought that I would try it. I am a sucker for ripped jeans. I love ripped jeans. This one is called a dandelion print t-shirt. I got it in a large. This is what it looks like. I thought it was really cute. The material feels like it is actually sublimation. So first of all, the dandelion looks so cute on this, and then the tie and dye effect that they have going on. Love the combination colors with the navy blue, white, and gray. It looks super cute, so creative. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For those of you who stick around to the end, I appreciate y'all. Love you guys. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe for more. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below which one of these items you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.